How to make Deep AI Video 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning on how we can make a deep AI video in the easiest and most simplest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to deepai.org. Now, Deep AI, as we all know, is one of the greatest AI generators out there because it not only allows you to chat with it, but it also gives you the privileges to generate images, generate videos, and generate music as well. So let's go and see what it's about. So you're first of all going to go ahead and describe a scene that you want to animate when you want to create a video. So let's say I'm going to write a flying car going into the sun. So let's say I'm going to write something like that. Click on make video. Now, over here, you can see the community videos, how cool these are. People have added their prompts and you can see how the videos look. They're not exactly realistic or the most, craziest, but, they do a good job of it. Like, look at the Spider-Man one. It's pretty cool. This RoboCop one, pretty cool. Sasquatch one. So you get an idea. Now, basically, this is the prompt I added, a flying car going into the sun, and this is the video that it gave me. Now, again, it's not amazing, but still, it is a good generation. And obviously, it's a good generation for a free platform. So basically, yeah, that is the main idea on how you are going to make a video on Deep AI. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.